Hi friends, I am SimGifty. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please make sure you click the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Follow me on all the social media platforms, and let's get to the video. Do you learn better and understand more better when you're listening to your teacher? Do you find yourself to be understanding more when you read out loud than when you're reading quietly? Actually, the main question is, are you an auditory learner, or are you not sure what type of a learner are you? Let's find out by this test. Well, this test is made to test your auditory capability or your auditory memory to determine what type of a learner you are. You know what? Let's get to the rules of the test. Task 1. Reading out loud. Please pause the video in this sentence and read it out loud 5 times. How much can you remember from the sentence you have read? Did you remember? Congratulations. Now I'm going to give you 3 sentences and rearrange them to see which one is the correct one from the one I've given you. Number 1. 3 women went to the mall and came across an angry man on their way to the mall. Number 2. The 3 women then went to the mall. They came across a very angry old man on their way to the mall. Number 3. The angry old man chased the 3 women on their way to the mall. Out of these 3 sentences, the correct answer is number 2. The 3 women then went to the mall. They came across a very angry old man on their way to the mall. If you got that, you're mostly an auditory learner. Congratulations. Task 2 will be doing sounds. The main rule is that I'm going to give you 1 sound, then give you 3 sounds after that to determine which one was the one that you initially heard. Let's go. I hope you heard that sound. Now, which one of this sound is the one that you just heard? Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. So which one is the correct sound? Number 3. Congratulations. If you passed these 2 tasks, congratulations, you're mostly an auditory learner. So you learn by listening. Please make sure you are listening in class, and please make sure that you apply the effective methods of study for auditory learners, such as listening to yourself, reading out loud, and recording yourself in your cell phone as you read, then listening to it as you go to sleep and listening to yourself in your cell phone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye!